Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell a stock on Fidelity. So first thing, open your Fidelity app. You should have this home page. Then click on investing on the bottom bar here. This will take you into your position. In your position, you should be able to see your holdings as you can see here. Click on whatever you want to sell. I will select this one for example. It will take us to this page. Just click on sell here on the bottom right corner. Next, you select the amount you want to sell. You can select either shares or dollars, like the currency that you want to sell with. I will select shares. Next, you select the amount that you want to sell. After that, click on preview here. Make sure all the infos are right. If they are okay, then just click sell. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.